Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to bake some turkey wings. So let's get to the kitchen and see how this is done. Okay, so here's my two beautiful pieces of turkey wings. I already washed them out thoroughly and everything, and basically it was this part, this drumstick part attached onto the regular turkey wing parts. I cut it in half, and so I have four pieces of turkey. So I like to start off with just basically to season this now. I like to start off with basically some lime juice, and I have some green seasoning, homemade green seasoning, about a tablespoon of that. Some homemade pepper sauce, about 2 teaspoons. Now you could season this any way you like it. I'm just basically putting together whatever I have in my fridge, and I'm seasoning my meat. Okay guys, and I have some all-purpose seasoning here. I like Badia seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put some jerk seasoning. Some paprika powder. Some chili powder. This should be nice and spicy. Some black pepper. I'm not going to add any salt because I'm also going to add a general all-purpose seasoning that my husband likes. Now, all these all-purpose seasonings have salt in it, so I wouldn't add any more salt right now. That should be enough. Plus the jerk seasoning has salt in it, so I'll basically mix up everything. I'm going to use my hands, guys. I like to get my hands in there and make sure everything blends in well. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put this in a baking tray, and I'm going to cover the dish with a piece of foil. So I want this meat to cook thoroughly, and then when I'm done, maybe I'll leave it for like about an hour, and then I'll remove the foil and let the meat continue to cook and get nice color. So I'm done mixing this up, coating it with all the lovely seasoning. So I'm going to transfer this to a baking dish. My mom, she likes what she likes. She used to do when I was younger. She would like dip her hand in the seasoning like this and taste it. That lime juice gives it a nice flavor, guys. You must try that. When you season your meat, put a little lime juice first, and then continue to season your meat. So I'll be back again. So I'm gonna throw some pearl onions, white pearl onions they call them, in here. I got this tip from my friend Amaru Cooks. You must really check him out, guys. He's so awesome and bubbly personality. Really unique recipes on his channel. He's from Suriname, living in the Netherlands. I hope I have that right, Amaru. If I don't, please correct me and forgive me. So I'm going to cover this again, like I said before. The foil, and put this in my oven, baby, for 1 hour, and then I'll remove the cover. Let it bake further for another hour. I basically want the meat to almost be falling off the bone, sort of thing. So here's my turkey after being in the oven for about an hour. I have removed the piece of foil that it was covered with. So next I'm going to put it back in the oven just like this, and let it take more color and cook a little more. So I'll be back after that. Okay folks, so here's my turkey wings after being in the oven for another hour. So total cooking time 2 hours. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? I love the color. It looks really nice. It's like how I like it, and I can't wait to dig into this. It smells so good. So next step is the presentation. Okay folks, let's dig into this piece of turkey here. Oops, I'm at a bad angle. perfectly cooked. Look at that. Look at that. Oh boy, this is good. Very, very tasty. Nice and moist. And it's tasting more rich. This is so good, guys. So good. So good. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button. Leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.